evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah. So today we are going to identify the letter sounds in a word. Okay. Now Auntie will show you the picture. You have to see the picture until the beginning sound. What is this picture?
Bus.
What is the starting sound?
B.
Oh, correct. The B sound. And what is this? Bat.
Orange.
Bats.
Bad.
What is the starting sound?
B.
B. Very good. Now, what is this? Sub.
Sub.
What is the starting sound?
Sub.
Sub. What is the starting sound? Very good. Right. What is this?
Car.
Fog.
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 What's the starting sound? Very good. What is this?
Hat.
Hat. What's the starting sound?
Hat.
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 Very good. You can keep it here. What is this?
Cat.
What's the starting sound?
K.
Very good. What is this?
Pig.
Pig. What's the starting sound?
Pig.
K. Very good. What is this? Dig.
Dig.
What's the starting sound?
D.
D. Very good. What is this? Wig.
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 What sound do you hear at the starting?
Ooh.
Very good, right? Ooh. Thank you. What is this? Jet. Sorry,
Jet.
which?
Which.